Okay, now we're going to insert this into a graph. Microsoft Office calls it a chart. And how we're going to do that is we're going to highlight the area here. From A1, drag it all the way down to the bottom. Then I'm going to go up here to Insert on my bar. And then I'm going to go over here to Charts, and I'm going to choose a chart that I like it to be. So notice when I change, it changes my chart below. I'm going to stay with this top one, and I just click on that. Now I can move this chart anywhere on my page by just clicking it and dragging it. I'm going to move it right underneath. Notice it budgeted is the same as budgeted here versus actual. So all my blue is my budget amount and all of the orange is the actual. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go under chart title and I just click, highlight, and I'm going to type in advertising, budget, actual. I'm going to say budget versus actual. Okay. And that is how you insert a graph, or as Microsoft Office calls